Okay, so my family has this thing called a Bulbul door device. It's in our kitchen. This is the remote control that we use. It's actually a doorbell remote. And if you look here, it was made in China. So these are all of the one key feature is that if you press this button, a sound plays. Watch, I'll do a demonstration. A song plays and the doorbell thingy on the thing lights up. There's a lot of sounds and I have to introduce them all to you. What the fuck? How is this the only one? Oh, god damn it. I'm not gonna lie, for a moment there, that had a really sick beat. Let's do it again. It doesn't work when you unplug it. Watch now. If I plug it back in. It makes a doorbell chime the moment you plug it in. And I'm not gonna lie, but for some reason, if you take a closer look at the buttons on the side of the machine, there's the music button and the volume button. The music button changes the sound. These two are not the only ringtones. There's more. I'm gonna press the music button and see how the ringtones are like. Hold on, I'm gonna go find out who made this thing, because I heard a Chinese tune. The intercom. Yeah, it is actually an intercom device, and yeah, it was definitely made in China. By a person, I don't know who. Anyway, let's go check out the other. That's something from, I don't know, like, yeah, that is Joseph Haydn. And there's a music box in my living room that plays the same tune. Here, I'm gonna go get it. You see, this is the exact same music box I was talking about. When I wind it up and open it, if we compare the two, Sorry guys, I didn't realize I did that. But let's explore the many other tunes this intercom device has to offer. Another Chinese song. If anybody knows the sound font for this thing, like General Minai or something, just let me know. That was like Feiruz's song, set to the tune of, I don't know, but I'll look it up for you. Just let me get on my phone. Aha, there it is. Symphony number 40 by Mozart. The 1812 Overture by Peter Tchaikovsky. Except this one doesn't have any cannons in it, so I have to go get my own. So I opened this app on my phone. I need to find a good cannon for the 1812 Overture version of this. I reckon this howitzer will do just fine. Downloaded it. Looks like we're ready for a test fire. If I shake the device, we could put another cannonball in there. Let's try it now with the cannons I added in. That is explosively awesome, if not the best Russian thing I ever heard. Oh, and you know what else is Russian? This assault rifle. Anyway, back onto the subject of music chimes. Oh yeah, that's like habanera mixed with some kind of Chinese music. If anybody knows the name of this song, let me know in the comments. It also plays My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion from Titanic. To my Canadian viewers, if you're watching this, that was just a special gift for you. The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. Classic doorbell sound. That is the sound of a vibraphone going ham. If I play this song and add sounds to it, I can turn it into a vibe. Watch. Okay, just gonna continue this. The Overture from Carmen by Bizet. This thing right here sounds like my mother's ringtone on her Samsung phone. This is Big Ben And if you're British and you're watching this video right now, that was for you. Here, I'll play it again. The Radetzky March. This is your flight speaking. This is an airport announcement that it just played from this thing. I don't know, whatever it is. Flight next to the song I just... And here it is again, but this time the notation is reversed. Do re mi from The Sound of Music. Scarborough Fair. To be honest, I don't know the name of this song, but if you could tell me what the name of the song is, feel free to let me know in the comments. Giuseppe Verdi, La Traviata, the drinking song. Another Chinese song. How many of these Chinese songs are there? The Turkish March. Baba Ciao. It not only plays Chinese songs and classical music, it plays music around the Arab world. But I do not know the name of the song. This thing, even though it's not close to Christmas yet. Like, geez. Another French song. And I mean French because there's an accordion in there. To be honest, I don't know the name of this song. That's kind of like something happy you can listen to when you're feeling sad or something, I don't know. The Lonely Goatherd from The Sound of Music. So, if you were born in the 90s, the 70s, or something like that, you probably recognize this melody. You know, the one about the song of Wanting Hippopotamus for Christmas. For Elise, by Ludwig van Beethoven. I don't know this. William Tell. The Birthday Song. Something that sounds like Rossini, Vivaldi, Scarlatti, whoever his name is. I don't know, but I don't know the name of this song. This one I don't know the name of. Jingle Bells? This song about having a washbowl on your knee from California or something like that. If you have any names for any songs that uses this exact same melody, you need to let me know. Let me guess. Take on me? No, that's not the one. That is the saddest song that ever plays from a intercom system. Kung Fu type music. They're a Chinese company, and they have to go, full copyright infringement on Nokia? What? Hold on, I'm gonna go find the name of the song real quick. The Nutcracker. Here, I'll play it again, but this time it's not with a flute. It's with an ensemble of vibraphones. Pachelbel, canon in C, not D. I don't know this one, sorry. It even makes animal sounds. For example, dog. Under the Sea from Little Mermaid. Bird, hence the company's name, but not the actual company who made the thing. The Blue Danube, by Johann Strauss, or whoever that guy's name is. The Russian thing. I don't know this. Hungary. You know, like the Hungarian dances and all that. I reckon if I record a sample for this for you to use, I'm gonna press the button and you're gonna have to record a sample of this exact version of the Hungarian dances to use in Suno AI or a rap song or whatever. Okay, I recorded the sample. Are you happy now? And then it takes us back to where we started from, the original tune. Okay, now that we have time, let's compare the two. Version 1, Music Box. Version 2, Bulbul. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So, despite this being a family-friendly channel, I do occasionally swear a lot in my videos. So, I'm gonna go and verify myself for YouTube.